How to change language on Paxful. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Paxful. Paxful is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency marketplace that facilitates the buying and selling of Bitcoin and other cryptos. Now to change the language on Paxful, you'll have to follow these steps. First of all, open your Paxful application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you open the Paxful application, here you'll have to enter your PIN. After entering the PIN, you will successfully logged into your account. And once logged in, on this main homepage, at the bottom you will find various icons. Tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to your account section page. Here you will find language option just below change password option at the bottom. You can also see the currently selected language here. Currently it is set to English United States. Now to change this language, you will have to tap on this language option and it will take you to a new page where you will find various languages that you can choose from. Here scroll down and find the language you are looking for. You may also tap on the search bar at the top and type the language there to find it quickly. Now once you find the language you want to change to, go ahead and tap on it. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm the language change. It says if you want to change language, you will have to restart the application. Go ahead and tap on that restart button to confirm your language change. Once you tap on restart, it will restart the application. And here you can see your language has been successfully changed. You can also tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And under this section, you will see your language has been successfully changed. So in this way, you can change language on Paxful. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.